Welcome my channel. Today let's explore the 1951 Liberty 1-cent wheat penny holds significant historical and numismatic value. This coin, part of the broader series of wheat pennies minted in the United States from 1909 to 1958, was produced during the presidency of Harry S. Truman. Let's explore the history, geography, circulation, uncirculated conditions, proof versions, and value of the 1951 wheat penny in detail. The Liberty 1-cent wheat penny was first introduced in 1909 to replace the Indian head cent. The obverse of the coin features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, designed by Victor David Brenner. The reverse shows two stalks of wheat and the inscription E Pluribus Unum, with 1 cent, prominently displayed. The 1951 issue of the wheat penny continued this design. It was produced during a time when the U.S. was experiencing a post-World War II economic boom. The penny was primarily used for everyday transactions, as the United States continued to use small denominations in circulation. This period marked the tail end of the wheat penny era, which would officially end in 1958 with the introduction of the Lincoln Memorial Cent, designed by Frank Gasparro. The 1951 penny is part of a year in which significant coinage production occurred, as the U.S. government was minting large quantities of coins to keep up with growing post-war demand. In 1951, over 700 million pennies were struck across three mints, Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, making it one of the more common years for the wheat penny series. The 1951 wheat penny was minted in three locations. Philadelphia Mint, the primary mint where coins were struck for general circulation. Denver Mint, this mint also produced wheat pennies in 1951, with the mark D placed on the coin to denote the minting location. San Francisco Mint, coins produced here were often intended for proof sets, but some were also released into circulation. The San Francisco Mint produced pennies in 1951 marked with an S mint mark. The geographical production of these pennies means they can be found in varying mint conditions, depending on where they were produced and the amount of time they spent in circulation. When the 1951 wheat penny was first released, it was used for everyday transactions and was circulated extensively. Pennies in circulation over the years can be found in different grades based on wear and tear. Good, G, for the coin shows heavy wear, with Lincoln's image becoming almost indistinct. Very good, VG8 Lincoln's portrait is clearer, but some details are worn down. Fine, F, 12 the coin is in better shape, with more detail visible on the wheat stalks and Lincoln's features. Very fine, VF, 20 the coin shows some minor wear but retains a lot of fine details in the design. Extremely fine, EF, 40 the coin is well preserved with only light wear. About uncirculated, -50 Australian dollars the coin shows no major wear but may have slight zinc. It is an iconic coin that remains common in circulation but also has value for collectors, especially in high-grade and proof conditions. The transition from copper to zinc in the pennies marks a significant chapter in the history of U.S. coinage. Collectors should pay close attention to the mint mark, condition, and composition when determining the value of 1982 pennies, as these factors can greatly influence the worth of the coin. Depends on several factors. Mint mark, pennies from the Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, are generally less valuable than those from the Denver, D, and San Francisco, S, mints. Condition, as discussed, the condition of the coin plays a significant role. A well-preserved coin can fetch significantly more than one in poor condition. Proof coins, proof versions of the 1951 penny, especially in higher grades, are worth much more than regular circulation coins. Here are some general values for the 1951 wheat penny in different conditions. Good, G 4.5 cents to 10 cents. Fine, F 12.10 cents to 30 cents. Very fine, VF 20.30 cents to 60 cents. Extremely fine, EF 40.75 cents to $1. Uncirculated, MS 61 to $3. Proof, PR 65.20 to $40, based on quality. Coins from certain mints or in rare conditions, such as a double die variety, may be worth more than these general estimates. The 1951 Liberty 1-cent wheat penny is a historical coin from the last years of the wheat penny series. While many of these coins were heavily circulated and are of modest value in typical conditions, those in uncirculated or proof condition are prized by collectors. The variety of mint marks and the possibility of finding unique errors also add to the allure of collecting these coins. Whether you're a numismatic enthusiast or just someone interested in the history of U.S. coinage, the 1951 wheat penny remains a key piece of American monetary history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't share and subscribe for more coin collecting content.